In Lark, organization administrators play a critical role. They set up organization information and policies, as well as manage essential services to keep teams working smoothly and data protected. In this video, you'll get a quick tour of the Lark Admin Console and learn the basics to get started. After signing into Lark, click your profile photo and select Admin Console to open it. On the Organization Overview page, you'll see some basic information. You can view the number of members, departments, and administrators, as well as the availability of the current plan. You can also find shortcuts to some frequently used tools on the page. Go to Organization Info. You can view your organization information and edit some of it, including uploading a new logo and modifying the organization name. Next, go to Organization, Member and Department to create departments into which you'll group members. You can specify department managers or create a department group. Once you have created a department, you can add members to it or import members in bulk. Then go to Settings, Administrator Permissions to delegate management permissions. You can assign members to the system roles or create custom roles. For example, you can create a role with approval permission and assign members to it. Members in this role can then manage approval-related configurations. Go to Workplace Settings, where you can add commonly used apps and links and pin them to the top of Members' Workplace for easy access. Besides the basics we've mentioned, the Lark Admin Console is also your portal to manage various Lark services, such as Wiki, Docs, Mail, video meetings, and more. Some services have their own admin consoles. For example, the Lingo Admin Console is where you organize Lingo entries, manage Lingo administrators, and view data and analytics on Lingo usage. The Approval Admin Console is the place for managing all approval workflows and administrators. The Attendance Admin Console lets you configure attendance, leave, and overtime rules. The Lark Admin Console also provides more advanced tools, such as security, compliance, and migration. As a shortcut, you can use the search bar to locate pages. To learn more about the Lark Admin Console, visit the Lark Help Center